chaos continues.
This is Mitch, my new boyfriend.
It's Hewitt's here, the undertaker's in the village. We've got Mr. Cook. I'm afraid he collapsed in the street.
Dick's dead. I just don't think we can afford the car. It's too much. Actually, forget what I just said. We'll take it. I must say it's great that you're alive.
It's my old doll's house.
I've been renovating it.
Morning, Fraser. That sounds, intriguing.
Yes, every Christmas I put on a little concert. Always very well received.
Right, I'll look forward to it.
Have you read my book yet?
Sorry?
My book about my experiences in the SAS. You promised you'd read it by Christmas.
Yes, I've been meaning to, but, well, I've been a little bit...
Please, Steele. I could do with a change of luck. Things haven't been too clever for me recently, what with Gerard and everything.
Oh, dear.
Bastards done a bunk, you know.
Yes, I heard.
Shacked up now with a petrol tanker driver. I should have guessed. Always popping down the garage, hanging round the pumps.
Right, yes, the pumps.
Begged him not to go, but the lure of young, tattooed flesh proved too much.
Well, don't let me keep you.
Promise you read it.
Yes, okay, I'll read it.
Morning, Hart.
Morning, Angela. Just wondered if you had any glue.
No, I've just used the last of it fixing my commemorative jug.
Oh, what a shame. How did that get broken?
Well, it got knocked over when Dick slipped over in your...
Urine, right.
Are you taking the rubbish out?
Yes.
Well, don't. The bin men won't be here for a week. The foxes will have it.
Actually, it's not rubbish.
What?
They're presents.
Oh, sorry, why did you say it was rubbish?
Well, they're rubbishy presents. That's why we're going shopping this afternoon, to get some decent presents, not these rubbishy ones.
Oh, did Mel tell you? Dick's renovating a Herald Doll's house as a present for Emily.
Yes. I think she might have mentioned it.
Oh, yes, he's worked so hard. It's been a labour of love.
Has it?
Oh, yes. He's been out in that workshop almost every night this month.
Oh, God.
Oh, now you remember the vicar's coming later?
Is he?
Oh, yes. He always pops in for a glass of mulled wine on a Christmas Eve. You know, he's very well connected with the Bishop of Winchester, so if we play our cards right, we could have Emily's christening in Winchester Cathedral. Isn't that exciting, Howard?
Absolutely thrilling. Well, if you'll excuse me. Dick.
In loving memory of Dick. With deepest sympathy, Audrey and Desmond. This is the 7th one this morning. Thanks to you.
Well, it must be nice to know you were so popular. Eve, I need you to bring something down for me. Yes, Fraser's manuscript.
Well, it's not very convenient.
Please, Eve, he keeps going on about it.
I'm in the middle of something with Mitch.
Bring a fretsaw and some glue.
Sorry, Mitch. I've got to go.
We've opened the tin. You might as well finish it up.
Hello, Audrey. It's Dick. Dick Cook. Audrey? I think you'd better do these calls next time. Oh, hello, Desmond. Is Audrey all right? No, of course it's a shock. No, I'm not dead. Well, it's a long story. You know my son-in-law, Howard. White.
Come on, Eve. Chop, chop. We haven't got much time.
Going as fast as I can.
Oh, yes. I have read this.
What's it like?
Absolutely terrible.
Oh, dear.
Unfortunately, Fraser thinks it's brilliant.
Howard? I'd like you to give me away at my wedding.
Beg your pardon?
Mitch and I are getting married.
What, that bloke I met at the Christmas party?
He proposed this morning.
Well, how long have you been seeing him?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
It's a whirlwind romance.
Look, Eve, you mustn't rush into these things.
But he makes me so happy. And I've not had much happiness in my life, if you get my drift.
No, look.
It's never been easy in the bedroom department. I have a spastic uterus.
Eve, look.
Please do it. My dad's not up to it. Anyway, we'd never get his dialysis machine up the aisle.
Eve, I saw Mitch kissing someone else at the Christmas party. The new girl from Site Services.
What?
No, it's definitely him. He was all over.
He loves me.
He's no good, Eve.
I don't believe you.
Eve?
Where have you been?
I got up early. I've been helping out. Look, about that Nicola business yesterday...
I'd just appreciate if in future you could tell the truth.
Of course.
What's that?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just some rubbish I'm sorting out. Now, Christmas presents. Are you sure you want to give your father this garden strimmer? Because, well, I think it's... Well, I think it's just a bit boring.
Well, he did ask for it.
Actually, you know, we should check this works. We don't want a repeat of last year with that dodgy electric shaver. Then he took half his face off.
Oh, that car salesman called. Warren, is it? Left a message about bringing the car down. Must have thought I was someone else.
Oh my God!
What is it? The truth, Howard.
I bought the car.
What? Well, we discussed this. We decided we couldn't afford it.
I know, but yesterday I saw your father's will.
You didn't.
I know I shouldn't have done it, but I thought he was dead.
Oh, great! So now how's it going to look, Howard? If Dad finds out you've been spending my inheritance before he's even pegged it!
Howard, I just read it in the paper.
Hello, Felicity?
How is Angela coping? Felicity? Angela! Oh, my darling. I'm so sorry to hear the news about Dick.
Felicity?
So young. Such a waste.
Angela, have you seen my fountain pen?
I read Dick's obituary in the paper. There was a bit of a mix-up yesterday, Felicity. Howard told everybody that Dick was dead.
Oh, it's very complimentary, Dick. A judge of great distinction. A man of integrity who didn't suffer fools gladly.
I got in the car as soon as I'd read it. We were just round the corner. Algernon's been covering a bitch in Woking. He's a daddy over 300 times now.
Looks like the little fella's got a taste for it.
Come here, Archie. We all know Howard doesn't like dogs.
What? Actually, that was an accident.
Can we not go over the cement mixer again, please?
A man in a Range Rover on our drive.
Good morning, Mr. Steele.
Go on! What? Drive! Just drive!
I don't understand.
What's going on?
Wrong address, Dick. Just go!
But the car.
No, thank you. We've got all the cars we need. Now, this is private property.
Yes, my property, Howard. I do apologise, Mr...
White, no need. I know what Mr. Steele's going through. I lost my father-in-law last year as well at a terrible business. The thing is, Mr. Steele, you've got to remember that life goes on. I'm sure it's any consolation. The old boy's looking down now as pleased as punch you spent the inheritance on a motor like this.
Sorry, do I know you?
Hey?
You're talking as if you know me.
I'm sorry.
I have absolutely no idea who you are.
You said your father-in-law had passed away, and now you can afford this little beauty.
Not me.
You give me your credit details and everything.
I don't think I did.
Howard Steele, credit card number 078387.
Oh my God, Dick, this is identity theft.
Expiry date
I need to
0906.
call the police.
You couldn't wait, could you?
Wait for what? I don't understand what you... Okay, look, I was only thinking of Emily's safety. Look, those cars have got a very good safety record. There's a side impact protection thingy.
My grave wasn't even dug. And you were running around flashing the plastic.
No, Dick.
My corpse, still warm. And you were out on the spree, splashing out on swanky cars.
It wasn't like that.
It's all right. I've explained everything.
I'm really sorry, Annie.
We just have to take out a loan. Pay it off bit by bit.
I was just trying to do the right thing for Emily.
I know.
Look, can we get out of here? Why don't we go shopping now?
After lunch, I just need to get Emily's next feed ready.
What do you want, you horny little sod?
Oi!
Go on, get lost!
So how much does Algernon charge? £800, with a £400 bonus if the bitch gets pregnant. Never! Well, his pedigree is impeccable. I make well over £15,000 a year from him. Paid for my world cruise. I wonder how much I'd get if I put you out to stud Dick.
Really, Angela?
Just about enough to get a ferry across the channel.
Pop this back in the fridge, shall I, Angela? Out of harm's way.
You will stop for lunch, won't you, Felicity? Oh, well, if it's no trouble. Of course not. Mel. Emily would love one of Algernon's puppies.
Yes, okay. If you can convince Howard.
Well, could you come upstairs? The garden strimmer seems to have castrated Algernon. Don't worry, Felicity. Mel's a vet. She does this sort of thing all the time.
I think she normally cuts them off. She doesn't sew them back on.
Oh, don't eat it if you don't want to, Felicity.
You were corporal once, out in Belize. On lookout duty. Fell out of a tree, sliced both his balls off with his machete. Bled to death. They found one ball 30 yards from his body. Now, do you know how many ants it takes to carry a man's testicle 30 yards? A lot.
Well?
He'll be fine. I think I managed to save one testicle.
Yay! Well done, Melly. Well, I mean, one's better than none. Anyway, we better get going. Otherwise that Christmas shopping will never get done.
Who on the entire planet can manage to give a pedigree dog a vasectomy with an electric strimmer?
Look, honey, why don't you go and have a bit of a break, you know? I'll take Emily. We've got Santa to see, haven't we, Ems?
Oh, no, that's all right. I'll take her.
No, Mel, you need a break.
No, not to worry. I'll take Emily.
Honey, you leave her with me.
No, I think she should come with me.
You don't trust me with Emily, do you?
Of course I do.
I'm not a complete moron, you know, Mel. I've looked after her before. I believe she's still with us. Yes, there she is.
Okay. All right, well, shall I meet you back here in an hour? Bye.
Go on. Hello. We've been waiting for over 10 minutes out here.
Oh, I'm sorry you've had to wait for 10 minutes. Some of us have been ho-ho-hoing for 7 bloody hours.
Yeah, I'm not sure you should be drinking that.
What?
With young children coming in here.
Will you get out? I haven't finished my break.
I'll get out when you put that bottle down. I'm gonna have him struck off the list of Santas. I'll make damn sure he'll never be Father Christmas in this town again. My father-in-law's a judge. Thanks, I think it stopped. Have a good Christmas. Isn't she great? Oh, look, Ems, what's that? Hey, that's right, Christmas tree. Yeah.
Who are you?
Is it Emily? Emily! 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 Oh, hi, Mel! Yeah, Emily's fine. Oh, yeah, she's having a great time. I tell you what, I'm just in the middle of something. I'll get back to you. Emily! Oi! Hey! I'm so sorry. Should we go and find Mummy? Look, there's Mummy. You enjoy your shopping, Mummy?
Hey! What happened to you?
Nothing. I'll put Emily in the spare room.
Very funny, Vicar. Yes, do help yourself to another mince pie. Where the hell have you two been? The Vicar's been here for an hour. He's got to leave in 20 minutes. Howard, what happened to your face?
Nothing.
Now, remember, he's a personal friend of the Bishop of Winchester. They go fishing together. Now, he's very happy to put in a good word for us for Emily's christening. But I think you should both fly the flag a bit.
Fine.
Winchester Cathedral, Mel. I think we've got slightly fewer Christmas cards this year. Wouldn't you say so, Dick?
I've not counted them, Angela.
So, Mel, you're planning on a February christening.
Yes.
Angela was saying you're thinking of something rather traditional.
Yes. Tradition. Love it.
That's what got us thinking about Winchester. Ah, Howard. You remember the vicar?
Yes, of course.
Hello, Howard.
Yes, that was quite an adventure we had on our wedding, wasn't it?
Yes. I was just catching up on your plans for the christening.
Yes. Melissa and I would like something that emphasised and celebrated the importance of the arrival of a newborn child into the family of the church. Isn't that right, Mel?
Yes. Yes, absolutely.
That's what got us thinking about Winchester. More mulled wine, Vicar.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll get some more.
Oh, I'll go, Angela. Yeah, haven't got a glass myself.
Steele, about my book.
What? Oh,
What do you think? I've shown it to some of my chums, and they all think it's brilliant.
well, I mean, it certainly is an extraordinary piece of writing.
I knew it!
The thing is...
That's all I need to hear. Thank you, Steele.
No. Fraser!
We lay there in our foxhole. Stevens was bleeding from both his legs. Bleeding a lot. There was blood everywhere. Armstrong was bleeding too. Blood gushing out of his guts. I watched the blood pouring out of him. I turned to Carter to radio for help. But he'd had his head blown off and was leaking blood all over the place. Then I blacked out.
Yes, most interesting, Fraser.
An absorbing tale.
Howard's convinced it's going to be a bestseller.
Really?
Yeah, a smash. Well, he's publishing it, you see.
You haven't mentioned that.
Well...
So you're going to be a famous author then, Fraser?
Yeah, the new Andy McNabb. Would you like to hear some more?
No. Actually, I think we should leave Vicar alone with Mel and Howard so they can discuss Winchester.
Yes. Come on, old chap.
Top up?
Have we got enough champagne for tomorrow, Dick?
I've put 6 bottles in the fridge.
We've done all right, haven't we, Dick?
How do you mean?
The way things have turned out. Us, the girls, all this.
Yes. We've done all right, old girl.
Damp cloth! I need a damp cloth!
What's happened?
Mulled wine, it's spilled!
How?
Howard was pouring the vicar some mulled wine and...
Howard.
Yes, Howard. I don't know how. I don't know why. It just happened, okay? It just bloody happened!
I've got his trousers down!
I've got a cloth!
Oh my God! Vicar!
The jug handle just came off in my hand!
Oh, out of the way, Howard!
It just snapped off when I was pouring!
I'll call an ambulance.
We're going to have to get his pants off.
Shall I squeeze some water onto him?
Not yet. Vicar, I'm sorry. We're going to have to take your pants off.
Damn jug, you can't use super glue on this sort of china!
Sorry, Vicar. Oh, God. Mel, get some butter from the fridge.
Butter?
Yes, butter for his bones.
This jug was badly repaired. You can't blame this on me.
It was repaired because Dick slipped up in a puddle of your urine.
Ambulance is on its way. Burns unit standing by.
Don't say any butter! Got brandy butter!
What are you doing?
You rub butter in. Keeps the skin from cracking.
Angela, he's the vicar.
I know.
You can't just go rubbing brandy butter into the vicar's genitals.
Do you have a better idea? Do excuse me, Vicar.
Thanks for coming so quickly.
Well, something tells me we won't be having the christening at Winchester Cathedral.
Do you need a hand with the carpet, Angela? It's quite a stain.
I'm gonna go upstairs, get ready for midnight mass, and try to rid myself of the image of my mother giving manual relief to the vicar of St. Dunstan's!
He's gone mad! Mitch has gone mad! I confronted him about the girl from Site Services, and then I told him you thought I should dump him, and he went mad!
Yeah, all right, calm down, Eve.
I started shouting and throwing things. I didn't feel safe.
What's the matter?
Howard told me to finish with Mitch, and now Mitch has gone mad!
What's going on?
It's Mitch, Mr. Cook. He's gone mad.
Mitch? Who is this Mitch?
My fiancé.
She's only known him 3 weeks.
He said he was going to kill Howard.
Well, don't worry about Mitch. I can handle Mitch.
Yes, but he knows where you live.
Hey, shh! Wake the baby!
Be careful, Howard.
Come on then! Do you want some? Because I'll give you some! Does anyone have any change for the Salvation Army?
What's this?
I don't know.
Well, it's my doll's house. What's it doing here?
Mel, I said I don't know.
Have either of you moved the doll's house from the garage?
Mel, didn't you just say that? Yes, Dick. I think it's here.
Howard, you had this bag earlier. What's going on?
Mel, for God's sake! Why does everyone always think it's my fault all the time? Oh, right, yeah, something's gone wrong. It must be Howard's fault. I'm just fed up with it.
Mrs. Cook said I can stay the night here, safe from Mitch.
Yes, right.
Oh, still not fixed it. I told you this morning after you'd smashed it up. I said it won't be easy to put that together again. Bit like Humpty Dumpty.
Okay, you're probably wondering why I didn't tell you about the doll's house. Where to start? I suppose I felt that even though it was an accident, there was every chance you wouldn't believe me. Also, I was rather hoping to repair the doll's house, and I thought that if I could get it ready by tomorrow, then... I thought no one would notice.
Steele! Quick word.
Oh, not now, Fraser. I'm not in the mood.
Right, it's about the book. I've had some terrific ideas for the front cover.
Yeah, look...
But one thing, I was just wondering, how much do you think you could pay me up front? A bit short at the moment.
Fraser, I've got to be honest with you. I can't publish your book.
What?
I'm sorry. You got the wrong end of the stick.
Well, you said it was extraordinary.
I didn't mean it in a good way.
Everyone I've shown it to thinks it's superb.
Look, I'm really sorry, Fraser.
Publish it! Damn you!
What?
It's bloody good!
Fraser, it's shit!
I beg your pardon.
I'm sorry, but you made me say that. It's just not very well written. I'm sorry.
How dare you?
Look, maybe other publishers might be interested.
What? Interested in publishing shit? Why would they be interested in shit? Steele!
Please, God, make it stop.
Mitch? I'm gonna kill you, Howard!
The police are here.
Dick, do something! He's arresting me!
Where are my bagpipes?
I don't know where your bagpipes are!
You arsehole.
What are you doing?
Don't miss the final part